Top 5 mind-blowing facts about the universe is: invisible, 85%. What if I told you that everything you've ever seen, everything light touches in our vast universe, is just a tiny, tiny fraction of what's actually out there? It's true. Our universe is hiding a colossal secret. A staggering 85% of its matter is completely invisible. We call it dark matter. It doesn't glow, reflect, or interact with light in any way. But despite its elusiveness, it dictates the very structure of our cosmos. For decades, it was just a theoretical placeholder. But now, we have overwhelming evidence for its existence. Get ready, because we're about to dive into the top 5 mind-blowing facts about this cosmic ghost, and discover why it's one of the most exciting mysteries in all of science. Fact 1. It's truly dark and incredibly mysterious. This missing gravity from dark matter is what prevents galaxies from tearing themselves apart. We also see its effects in gravitational lensing, where massive clumps of dark matter warp the fabric of spacetime, bending the light from distant galaxies like a cosmic magnifying glass. Without dark matter, our cosmic landscape would look vastly different, likely devoid of the beautiful, intricate galactic structures we observe today. It forms vast, invisible halos around galaxies, extending far beyond the visible starlight. Our own Milky Way galaxy is thought to be embedded within a massive halo of dark matter. It truly is the silent majority of the universe's mass. First off, when we say dark, we mean dark. This isn't just dim or non-luminous like a burnt-out star or a black hole. Scientists have proposed many candidates, ranging from the mundane to the truly exotic. Its gravitational pull acted as the cosmic scaffolding that allowed galaxies and galaxy clusters to form. So, every galaxy, every star, and ultimately, us owe our existence in part to this invisible gravitational architect. It's the dominant, yet unseen, component of matter, constantly shaping galaxies and holding them together, even as it continues to elude our direct grasp. It's the silent force that forged the cosmic web, giving structure to the expanding universe. It reminds us how much more there is to learn and explore. The next time you look up at the night sky, remember that behind every shimmering star, there's a vast, invisible cosmic web, waiting for us to unravel its deepest secrets. The universe is truly more mysterious and wonderful than we can possibly imagine. In the very early universe, after the Big Bang, dark matter, which only interacts gravitationally, began clumping together much earlier than normal matter could. These dark matter clumps created deep gravitational wells. Regular matter, which was still too hot and dispersed, eventually fell into these wells. These would be new types of particles that interact very rarely and very weakly with normal matter, explaining why they're so hard to detect. Think of them as cosmic ninjas, passing right through us without a trace. Other ideas include macachos, things like black holes are very faint, burned-out stars that are hard to see but still exert gravity. There are even more exotic theories involving axions or sterile neutrinos. The hunt is on, with massive detectors buried deep underground in old mines, shielded from cosmic rays, hoping to finally catch a faint interaction from these elusive particles, providing the first direct evidence of what dark matter truly is. Dark matter is the dominant form of matter in the cosmos. Let us break down the cosmic inventory. The normal matter we remade of atoms, stars, planets, gas clouds, accounts for only about 5% of the entire universe's mass energy content. Dark matter, on the other hand, makes up about 27%. The rest, a whopping 68%, is an even more mysterious repulsive force called dark energy, but that's a story for another day. Dark matter simply doesn't play that game. This profound difference means it's made of something entirely distinct from the baryonic matter that makes up you, me, the Earth, the Sun, and all the visible stars. It's a completely new, fundamental component of the cosmos, hinting that our understanding of reality is far from complete. Dark matter literally doesn't interact with light or any other form of electromagnetic radiation. You couldn't see it even if it were right in front of your face. It doesn't absorb, emit, or reflect photons. This fundamental lack of interaction with light is what makes it so incredibly hard to detect directly. Think about it. Everything we understand about the universe, from the light of distant galaxies to the colors of a rainbow, comes from how matter and energy interact via electromagnetism. Fact 2. We know it's there because of its gravitational pull. So, if we can't see it, how do we even know it exists? Through its powerful gravitational effects. It's like seeing the wind rustle leaves, even if you can't see the wind itself. The primary evidence emerged decades ago when astronomers, like Vera Rubin, observed that galaxies were spinning way too fast to hold themselves together with only the visible matter they contained. They should have just flown apart like a cosmic merry-go-round gone wild. Something extra, something invisible, had to be providing immense amounts of additional gravitational glue. Fact 3. It outnumbers regular matter by a staggering amount. This isn't just a small, obscure component of the universe. This means for every atom you can observe, there are roughly 5 times as much dark matter just existing. Fact 4. We're still not sure what it is. Despite knowing how much there is and how it behaves gravitationally, the exact nature of dark matter remains one of the biggest unsolved puzzles in physics. One leading idea is that dark matter consists of WIMPs, weakly interacting massive particles. Fact 5. It was the cosmic architect of galaxies. Without dark matter, the universe would look drastically different, or perhaps not even exist as we know it. Over billions of years, normal matter accumulated in these dark matter halos, cooling and collapsing to form the first stars, and eventually the galaxies we see today. From its baffling invisibility and pervasive gravitational influence to its role as the universe's primary builder, dark matter is truly one of the most astonishing mysteries of the cosmos. Conclusion: the fact that 85% of the universe is still a complete enigma is humbling, but also incredibly exciting.